Guys, in this video I will show you how to enable your Face ID on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings app on your phone, and then you want to hit the magnifying glass and search for face recognition. But every phone, Android device, if it's different, it might be under Face ID or Face something. So just have a play around of the wording to find something that says face recognition. Once you've found it, click into it, and then on mine it says face recognition, register your face. So I'm going to click onto that, and you got to click your PIN to continue, and then once you've done that, your phone's going to scan your face. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, click on continue. Alright, once your face has been recognized by your phone, you'll come to this screen here. So if you want a face unlock, enable that, and then stay on lock screen until swipe, enable that on and off. Required open eyes, brighten screen. Yeah, that's it guys for the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.